Good day, everyone. Welcome to I2 Math Academy, where numbers and variables actually mean mastery. Yes, today we are going to be looking at exponential linear equation. Yes, so this is a y question. Yes, y. So here we're given 9 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 raised to the power of x minus 2 all over 3 raised to the power of x. Now the question is find the value of x. So solution. Yes, solution. Now this is the same as saying 3. This 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2. Now remember there we have 2x plus 1 is equal to this 81 here is 3 raised to the power of 4. Then here we have x minus 2. Yes, all over 3 raised to the power of x. So at this point, this is the same as saying 3 raised to the power of 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. Now this will be equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 times x is 4x. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Yes, all over 3 raised to the power of x. Now remember this law of indices that m raised to the power of x divided by m raised to the power of y is equal to m raised to the power of x minus y. Yes, when the bases are equal, you're subtracting the power. So it means here the bases are equal. We have 3 as the base, 3 as the base. So this will be 3 raised to the power of 4x plus 2 will be equal to 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 8. Then we have minus x. Yes, so that will be 3 raised to the power of 4x plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 1x is 3x minus 8. Now, since the bases are equal, the next step is to equate the powers. Yes, equate the powers. Or you say equate the exponents. So equate the powers. When you equate the powers, we have 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2 is equal to, we have 3x minus 8. Yes. So at this point, the next step here is to collect like terms. Yes, and when you collect like terms, we have 4x. When you bring this 3x to the left hand side, we have minus 3x is equal to minus 8. If you take plus 2 to the other side, it becomes minus 2. So 4x minus 3x is x, or 1x, and it's equal to minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So it means the value of x is equal to minus 10. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you.